Hi, this video is for students who are preparing for CAT 26 and are starting their preparation from August 25. So you have more than a year's time. So how do you plan your preparation? What you need to do is what this video is all about. So we've been training students for more than 23 years, so fairly comfortable with the examination, how to crack it, how to go about preparing for the exams. The steps to prepare. Ideally, first talk to the students. It makes sense to talk to people you know, your seniors or someone who has given the CAT before. Know from their mistakes, to learn from their mistakes, what have they done right, what have they done wrong, etc. How they went about preparing. They will give you good insights with regards to preparation. Then write an aptitude test or mock to know the pattern of the paper. So if you write an aptitude test or mock paper, it helps to know what type of questions come. So it gives you a plan for preparation. Even if you don't write a paper, go to the previous year's papers, one or two papers, just see the type of question that comes to give you a fair idea as to what type of questions come in the exam. For example, in the verbal section, the focus is reading comprehension. So spend more time reading instead of focusing on vocabulary or grammar. That is not important. Similarly, identify study materials. Again, talking to your people, find out which is the good study material that you can link to. If you're not sure, pick up to what he said, different materials, and see which you're more comfortable with and accordingly go about preparing for the same. It makes sense for a first round of preparation, stick with one study material and finish the syllabus instead of going to 2 or 3 materials. That does not help. Identify strong and weak areas. See which area you're strong at, which area weak at. Start with focus on your weak area more, because there are sectional cutoffs for top colleges. So if you're able to clear your sectional cutoffs, you should be able to do well. So it is the initial part of your preparation. Focus more on your weak areas. Later on, then we can plan based on what your targets is and how you go about it. Make a plan, ideally written down plan as to how are you going to prepare. When are you going to complete your syllabus, first round of syllabus? When are you going to do second round of syllabus? What is the broad monthly targets as such? Now, here are links for writing a free test. You want an aptitude test or a mock test. If you want to write, you can go to this website and try to write a free test or mock test. That should help, hopefully. Right now, preparation schedule. Ideally, I mean, if you're looking at preparing till December, so you are from August, 5 months time, to half an hour to 1 hour of reading. Calculations 15 minutes. Con syllabus, basics maybe 1 hour should suffice per day technically. Problem solving, puzzle solving 15 minutes. So total around 2 to 4 hours is what is expected of you. I mean technically 2 hours also is sufficient for right now. You have ample time of that. The DILR sets and maybe verbal questions you can solve later on. Reading should help you to build on your verbal basics. Puzzle solving should help you to fundamentally improve on your logical thinking. That will help you for LRDI. Key is to get your fundamentals for quant right, because that syllabus is vast. So try to focus more on quant and try to complete your syllabus, at least the fundamentals as far as possible. Right? I've given you broad number of days to complete your quant syllabus. Take your time. I mean, I'm assuming there are 5 months. Maybe you'll take 1 month break for some college exam or something else. You still have 4 months, 120 days which you can prepare. So you can take 6 days for number system, 6 days for averages, 5 days for percentage, and so on. I'm giving you rough number of days. You can modify based on your comfort level. So during these days, try to complete whatever syllabus which is there. Go to the theory, try to solve a few sums, try to be comfortable with the fundamentals. Need not go to tough sum, but at least get your fundamentals correct. The plan is important. Without plan, it becomes very difficult to crack the examination. To make short-term plans. So when will you complete a syllabus? What is a monthly plan? What is a weekly plan? And every day write down what you plan to do on the next day. So today I'll write down what I'm planning to do next day. It helps. Or maybe in the morning I'll write what I'm planning to do on that same day. Having a daily plan, written down plan helps. It also helps you to know what to prepare, what not to prepare, and how are you progressing as such. So write down your daily plan and keep track on how much are you preparing daily. You will know your stamina. You will know over a period of time how much you can prepare, how much you cannot prepare. Based on that, you can modify your plan. Right, so we do, as I said, conduct class for CAT, etc. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to preparation. If you're writing CAT and planning to write the CAT, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.